Hello friends, what about the plant-based mozzarella liquid pizza with vegan bacon?
To make pizza again, and in the situation I'm in right now, I try to make things as different as possible. Otherwise, I'll end up making the same thing over and over. I really don't like spending a lot of time on cooking, so this is mainly to take away the doldrum of eating the same thing over and over. Anyway, I found this. It's a plant milk mozzarella. It's the first time I'm trying it, so I'm going to open it now. You're supposed to shake it while you're here, which I did already. And then you pour it on the pizza evenly. So I'm going to try this, and it's supposed to brown inside of the oven. Let's see. So added to this, I put some vegan bacon. That's why it looks like that. I'm trying it out. Comes from these people. Never tried this before, so I'm gonna test it. My pineapple, green peppers, onions, and the plant-based mozzarella. So let's see how it comes out. So this is the finished product out of the oven. You can see the bacon got a little crisps, and the liquid mozzarella turned a little bit brown. So the next will be to taste it. So this is the vegan meal for today. I have 2 slices of pizza with tomatoes, onions, pineapple, vegan bacon, vegan mozzarella cheese. I have another video where I show how I made that. And my cabbage with a little bit of pink sauce and some hickory smoked beans. Tell me what you think in the comments area.